Whoa, 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 whoa. Give me that. Give me. Give me.
This test is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., but may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day, and the warning alarm feature of this broadcast will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming. Now for the official national weather. Here is the regional forecast summary. A cold front moved through central Illinois last night. It was cloudy in the Turin with 53 degrees. Here are some.
So, I just learned that St. Louis will be doing their test next Wednesday. However, good thing I kept my camera rolling because I managed to proceed to grab Lincoln's test. Yay! Good job, Lincoln.